Only thing I would have changed is nothing. Actually, I did great.
She used to work at King of Diamonds on a Monday. Only hit the club on Saturday and Sunday. I used to pull up every week, you should have seen her. The way she did it, nobody could do it cleaner. I seen her in the suit for my birthday. And I can tell you the
YouTube, it's me, Basha Oluwa, back with another video, and today I'm doing something so dramatic. I'm dyeing my hair, okay? I haven't told nobody, like, or nothing. Me and my friend Yana, here's Yana, y'all. Hi, guys. We're going to be dyeing our hair, okay? Like, we just need a change. We just want to do something. Like, it's quarantine, and if we don't like it, we just dye it back. If you want to see what happened, how we're doing this, what's going to happen, is it going to fall out, is it going to be ugly? Stay tuned. So, we are starting off with dirty hair. I watched a whole bunch of videos, and they said that your hair should be freshly washed. So, this hair is dirty. So, we're going to do our hair, and I'll just take my hair down. Sorry, y'all. I don't have a tripod. This is vlog style, baby. You just coming along for the journey. So here's my hair, freshly out of a slicked ponytail. It was flat ironed too. So yeah, y'all show them your hair. Look at that, y'all. So we don't know what's happening to her hair because her hair's already like, it's like red brown. So we gonna see. That's gonna be our little problem solving for the day.
I'm scared, y'all. Cause if this shit ugly, I'm putting my wig on because we got somewhere to go tonight. Forgot to tell you.
Where we going? So what we did not tell y'all is that we are we look hot, boy. Okay. Yeah, we doing this while we hot, y'all. So we gonna see what happens. I don't think nothing
my hair is gonna turn out bad, but if my hair turns out bad, I'm scared because I've really been working on my curl.
And now, wait, I'm doing your hair, so why?
No, we said we're doing your hair first. Stop fucking playing with me.
Alright, broski. Come on, let's go. Let's do this. Let's do it. Okay, look. This is what I want though. You guys see what I want. That's what I want. Ooh, what you got? I want honey blonde on them roots. And then what's the other one I got? Ginger blonde on the ends.
You're doing this. I'm just assisting.
No, you gotta help me. What the fuck? What the hell? You gotta help me, G. So look, we don't touch our roots, okay? Your roots process the fast, and that's why people will dye their hair and they put on their roots. The roots be light as hell, and they don't match the rest of the hair. So we gotta do. You have to put the
So first we need to part your hair in 4 sections.
4 sections. That's why I brought these. Boom. Alright, so I'm going to be using the Creme Nature. This is the dye in the color Honey Blonde. I'm gonna do a gradient from that one to this ginger blonde. Okay, they have directions on them, so we're just gonna skip to the next part when we got everything mixed. This is so terrible.
Remove cap from applicator. Pour the entire content of the permanent hair color gel on the tip.
Big.
Cause you did. She make it stutter in her feet.
You see, friends don't never put they all into you. Okay?
Bitch, kiss my motherfucking rabbit ass fucking ass. Okay?
Rabbit motherfucking ass. She can't even talk, boy.
Okay, and I can't even do your hair. Bitch.
Ah! Ooh, you're a good person.
Oh my God.
You are a good person.
Lisa first.
Okay, y'all. She's doing my ends first. Combing in the dye. I'm actually very nervous, but I'm actually very happy at the same time.
This shit fucking stink.
It stank. It's probably my hair. So hopefully all my hair does not fall out, and hopefully I look like a bad bitch.
That's why I want.
Alright, y'all. This is how my hair is looking like. We just got all of the dye through. Here, showing the back, y'all. So y'all, we waiting on me. I'm in the processing cab. I'm scared, so I'm not looking until it go off. Alright, y'all, we gonna see what it's looking like under here. I peeked a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna take it off. It's been 30 minutes, and then while you was putting it in, oh.
These are reactions because why are we like this? What's wrong with you?
Nothing. It's just,
I thought you wanted it lighter than that.
it's lighter than that back here. I'm sorry, y'all, my lips crusty. So I basically dyed my hair my skin tone.
Basically.
This how my hair came out. Yeah, she's cute. I don't even think I'm gonna put a toner in here for real. But I'm about to wash it out and I'll be back. So I went in with this toner and T18 and what's that? 15. The only thing is I use 40 volume developer. So I'm gonna try to do maybe half the time, but all the videos said don't use 40, but that's all I had. So that's what I did. So I'm scared as hell. So we gonna wait 15 minutes and see. I ain't gonna wait the whole 30. I'm gonna wait 15 minutes and see if it cooled down the tones in it. Cause I don't know, it was a little warm. So I wanna make it a little more cool. Yana's hair. What you think?
It looks the same.
It's just like at the ends and then your roots.
My roots and some spikes. Cause like in other spikes, this shit didn't do nothing. But like right here, it made it a little.
Dang. So I'm waiting for this 40 volume developer of toner to tone my hair out. Let over my hair. I'm so sorry, God. Alright, y'all. Ready for the reveal. Woo! Wow. It really took. Y'all, my hair was like black, like dark. What's up, guys? Okay, this is so different. I went and I put in, you know, some conditioner and leave-in conditioner, gel. You know, the curly girl method. Little oil. But yeah, I don't know if y'all can see this. Maybe I should put it on my, see if I can get my mouth. I'm sorry I did not end the video, but I'm going out tonight and this is how my hair turned out. So let me know if you like it in the comments down below. Bye.
This shit so good, should be illegal. Need round two, I need a sequel.